Why on earth would anyone live next to an active volcano? You'd think it's a crazy idea, but for millions of people around the world, it's just home. The reason might surprise you. Volcanic soil is incredibly fertile. For centuries, this rich soil has allowed communities to grow amazing crops. It's feeding their families and building their economies. It's a trade-off. The risk of an eruption for the reward of a bountiful harvest. Think about it, some of the best coffee and wine in the world comes from volcanic regions. The volcano that brings danger also provides the very thing that helps them thrive. The next time you see a village at the foot of a volcano, you'll know it's not just about the risk, but the incredible reward. Would you ever consider living near one? Let me know in the comments.